Yeah. Boom. Just walk with me now. All the way. Move. I want him to stop now. That's good. There you go. Clever boy. We actually booked Dr. Rogers to come and do the rhinos in the morning, and then he just said, no, he's got to go and collect another baby. And it was... Are you filming? No.
Okay, I'm not using any of the sound, so you don't have to.
Was it Tarongo? Okay, first, come on.
Where's that?
Tarongo is it's a there now, in that direction.
Okay.
Very big, is it?
I'm not sure if I've seen it.
So yeah, the people said that they heard the shot go to 7 or something at night. And he was brought in about lunchtime. So I just say he was with the mom for about more than 12 hours.
Ja.
Kom baby, ons gaan nie daai rigting nie, ons gaan die kant. Ja. Also sedated, quite groggy. We attempted that bigger sheep Lizzie, but the sheep was just scared anyway. So I don't know if I ever put her in with him. I went to make a bottle. Kom baby, die kant. Kom. Wat is daai kant? Kom. Nee, die kant toe. Kom babs. Kom die kant toe. Ja. Kom.
What is the sound? He's looking for his mother.
Kom. What direction was it? North. North is that way. Kom.
Because he seems very intent on...
Yeah, I don't think... Kom Baba, kom. I think on one side it's because it's downhill. It's easy to go to this way. Kom Baby, kom.